whoa, okay. I am really getting dizzy from that environment I was in. Oh, God.
Fucking migraines.
Oh, God.
Here we go again. I better go wash my face.
Wash his face.
I need to take some. I'm gonna faint if I resist. That's all right.
You can walk.
I know. I can make it. I know.
Oh my God. Yeah, it's like, no, it's like, no, seriously, it's like, what exactly is, oh. Yeah, it's like, what exactly is his deal right now?
Fuck all three of you.
Oh,
He just walks away. Fucker.
okay.
No one will see.
It's like, put your hands in your pockets or something. Okay.
Walk towards the bathroom.
Yeah, alright, here we go. Oh, God, okay. Oh, God. All these button prompts at once.
You fucking made it. I'm actually impressed.
Wow.
What?
Is it
Almost every Let's Play I see of that scene, they fail it.
Oh,
Good
seriously?
job, good job, Russell.
High five. Wow.
Pro gamer here.
I didn't even know.
Oh my God. Well, no, I'm honestly surprised. God damn. I didn't think that many people like fail that one segment of the game.
Oh, hey, Ethan. Oh, wait, no. Never mind. Sorry. I forgot. You succeeded, so you actually get to keep the controller for now.
Oh. So if I didn't succeed, control
It would have went to Jason. Actually, wait. Nope, sorry.
This is Lieutenant
Oh,
Blake.
Okay, that's fine.
Could you please tell him what happened?
It was this afternoon. I went to the park with my son, Sean. We played together for a while, and then he wanted to go on the carousel, so I put him on one of the wooden horses, and when I turned back, Sean had disappeared.
Fucking liar.
Exactly what time did you arrive at the park? Try to remember exactly, Mr. Mars. Every detail can be important.
It must have been about...
Ooh, do you
Oh,
remember?
son of a bitch!
Do you remember the time?
No!
Fuck! I was like, was there even a freaking clock?
5:30, I think.
Oh shit! I didn't even press any
What was
buttons.
your son wearing when he disappeared?
Hey, Jaden. Yeah, so Jaden wouldn't be here if you failed that.
Okay.
Green.
a green coat.
It was beige.
And a pair.
What? Oh, for fuck's sake! Wait, hold on. Was asking me the same question?
No, he's actually about his pants.
Fuck!
Those are brown.
Damn it!
They were black.
Jesus! I didn't even press a goddamn button. Fuck!
Good fucking job remembering your son.
Ah!
Your favorite son.
I can't even listen to what the hell he's asking me when you talking.
Be mindful about the
short
stomp.
walk around the park.
I'm sorry.
He asked like
When I got
where were you when Sean
Turns out
disappeared?
Ah.
Just pay attention.
Sean wasn't
It's
there.
alright.
You say you took your son to the park after school, but you didn't report him missing until 8:15. Why did it take you so long to contact the police?
I don't know.
Oh crap!
I didn't know what.
Panic like right now.
Sean have any
Yeah,
particular
yeah.
abilities, Mr. Mars? Anything that might have caused him to run away?
No.
No, I don't think so.
That man's shaking.
Everything okay at school? Any particular problems between you and your wife?
Well, no. There's definitely
My
some
wife and I have been
problems.
separated for the last 6 months. But Sean would not have gone off without telling his mother and me.
All right. That's all the questions I have for now.
I've never
Free to
seen.
go, Mr. Mars.
I've hardly
Continue to
ever
look for
seen
Sean overnight.
Jaden in
We'll
that
contact you
cutscene.
if we have any more
That's
questions.
cool.
Huh.
That's like almost new to me.
Really?
Do you think the origami killer...
Listen, your son's probably just run off and he'll turn up in a couple hours.
Yeah.
But what if it is the origami
I doubt that.
Well, then we have
Well,
about
then you
4
two for
days
sale.
to find him alive.
The fuck?
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume that because I messed up the freaking questions, like, pissed
Oh no, they
poorly.
mean nothing. Don't worry. They mean something.
Okay, okay, alright. Still, it's like, god damn.
Nothing yet, but they're gonna keep looking through the night.
Do they think it's the origami killer?
No, they think he ran off. Fucking
It's still
police.
too early to say,
God.
but it is a possibility.
What happened, Ethan? How could you lose Sean like that? You should never have taken your eyes off him. I mean, for God's sake, how hard is it to keep your eye on a child in the park? Why did you leave him, Ethan? Why? Wasn't it enough losing Jason?
Damn.
Okay, low blow.
Oh, okay, alright.
It's not what I meant to say.
Oh, It's like, my god, really? I didn't even leave Sean.
You kind of did.
What?
Not intentionally, but you did.
Yeah, exactly. I had no intention of leaving Sean. It just happened.
What's he gonna say? I fucking blacked out and then ran off like a couple blocks away for hours.
Oh my
I have
god.
schizophrenic attacks. Like that's the best way to lose complete custody of your child. You know, compared to, you know, losing him entirely. If I can't have Sean, no one can.
No.
Oh, alright.
Here you go, Danny.
Alright. Alright, time to pick up some porn.
God.
We just left the prostitute, Danny. Chill.
So I didn't get any satisfaction.
That wasn't enough.
I'm upset.
She didn't answer all my questions.
You, sir? Well, I hope so. My name's Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. I'm investigating the case of the origami killer. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
My son is dead, Mr. Shelby. I have nothing more to say.
Okay.
You may know something that could help save other people's lives.
I was unable to save the life of my own son. I do not see how I could save the lives of other people.
I also lost someone I loved. I know what you're feeling.
Then you will understand that I do not wish to talk about it.
Well,
Oh, do you sell inhalers? I'm all out, and at least I won't go away completely empty-handed.
The back of the store, to the right.
Thanks.
Ooh, donuts.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, can we have the
Ooh,
can I have
donuts.
the donuts?
Chocolate.
wait.
let's just look out the window.
Oh.
Oh, here we go.
There you go, asthma.
Hey. I like breathing.
Ooh, asthma.
Good evening, sir.
Also like, oh god. This
And let me guess. This guy's a robber.
Are you looking for something in particular?
Yes.
Yeah, your money.
Your cash
What you
register.
got in the register? Don't fucking try anything.
Okay. Oh
On the
shit.
register, you dumb fuck. Put the money on the counter.
Oh shit.
You
Okay.
deaf or what? Are you gonna open
A
it?
gun on you.
No, sir. You do not have the right to steal that money from me.
Oh my
I have
god.
worked very hard to earn it.
Oh, go right behind
You
me.
cannot have
What did you say? You're out of your fucking mind, man. You don't get it, do you? I'm gonna put a fucking bullet right between your eyes if you don't do what I say now.
You shall not be robbing my register, sir. That money, it...
Oh shit.
You!
I was like, I hit the fucking button.
I said, come here now!
Well,
he is.
Hopefully he knows how to disarm a man. Oh god.
Hands up! Put your fucking hands up or I'll shoot!
hands are up.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Are you deaf?
Nope,
Never
nope.
I
mind.
said put your hands up!
Gotta hold it down.
Yeah, hold down.
Oh, you have to hold it. Okay.
Yeah, hold him down. Okay.
Look, it's not worth it. Put the gun down and just walk away.
You giving me advice? I'll give you some fucking advice.
And it'll be great advice.
Don't panic. Let's just stay calm. Nobody here wants to hurt you. We're all just gonna be cool, and everything will be all right.
Yeah. I'm cool, man. Everything's gonna be all fucking right.
Just slowly inch my way up.
You don't really want to shoot anybody, do you? I'm sure we can find a way out of this mess, right?
Does he not see him slowly inching up?
No.
My name's Scott. What about you? What's your name?
Andrew. My name's Andrew.
Dumb fuck. I mean, my name is also Scott.
Now, I want you to put the gun back in your pocket and quietly walk out of the store. My friend and I will forget about what just happened, and you'll have earned a second chance not to fuck up your life. What do you say?
Oh god. I don't like this. I don't like this.
Nice try. For a second there, you almost had me believing all your shit. And now, give me the money.
And you're just gonna stand there and let the detective walk
like,
up.
hey, I tried to be reasonable.
Ooh. Oh god. Oh, fuck you.
It's like, oh, of course you get it. Yeah,
Nice.
Oh, that was... Okay.
Wow. Ended that in one punch.
Yeah, it's like, you know, God, the first guy, he put up more of a fight.
Yeah.
And he didn't even have a gun.
Yeah, right?
You were lucky, because Scott can't get shot there.
Oh god.
That didn't come right.
It sucks.
Have a nice day.
When my boy, Razor, disappeared, I received a letter with a locker ticket inside. Inside the locker, I found this box. I do not understand what it means, but I think it must be a sort of message from the man who took my son from me.
What are they?
Skechers.
It's the shoebox.
Yeah. How dare they?
Ooh.
Ooh, a lizard.
Pretty.
Take the box if it can be of any use to you at all. It did not help me to save Razor, but maybe it will help you find the other little boy.
Oh, okay. It's a little bit of a plot hole there. Well, not really a plot hole. One of the things you can one of the things you can say to him is that Sean went missing.
Oh, okay.
Because Scott would have heard the news and would have found out. But you didn't say that to him, so that out of context doesn't make sense.
Gotcha. Okay.
And just leave him there.
We're just gonna leave this poor jackass on the floor.
Well, I guess I have a new hood ornament.
He's like, the cops will get him. It's all good.
I'm not sure if you can ever talk him out of it. I think he fights. I think. Oh, my turn.
Okay.
Oh, fucking finally.
Wait, this is
a new character.
Okay.
I get to play the game.
You've been playing before, have you not?
Yeah, I get to play the game tonight. Le gasp.
I left the TV on.
This is a nice fucking apartment, though.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, no kidding. And a huge one at that.
Fucking time is it? God fucking damn it.
It's at 2:44 a.m. earlier.
I need to be asleep o'clock. Wasting my fucking electric bill. Cable went out again.
Oh, well.
Fuck my life.
Shit.
Where'd my pants go?
They just keep coming off every time I accidentally pass out. What's the deal?
Never mind.
That's actually, a little creepy, right?
It's like, geez, that's like
Never
that's
mind.
like one hell of a step.